it's okay. Don't be shy if it's construction only. At least he have a job, unlike other Filipino guys, right?
Yeah.
They don't have a job. They're just staying at home. Is it okay to him that you are working in the bar?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
But no bar pine.
No.
Bullshit. That's bullshit. It's bullshit, right?
Yeah.
That no bar pine.
No ma. Pero
Oo.
bawal lang tayo lumabas.
That's bullshit. Wag ako, be. she said, yeah, she asked a permit. She told him that she's going to work in a bar, but no bar pines. But that's bullshit that you don't go bar pine, right?
Yeah.
How can you earn money if you don't go bar pine, right? Totoo naman yun, di ba? Paano ka
Oo.
naman kikita kung hindi ka
Kaya nga
pagsasama
eh.
sa guest? So, do you tell him that you don't go with the customers? Oh my. Do you kiss your husband when you get home?
Hmm?
Do you kiss your partner if you get home after customer?
Hindi.
Yung totoo.
Hindi man.
Even here.
Hindi ko man kasi siya na kinikis pag galing ako ng customer.
So, you
Hindi.
don't kiss him when you
Kaya
get
malala
from customer
kasi
because he will
malala
find out?